तो इसके लिए जिंदगी में लफड़े नहीं हुए
बहुत हुआ।
इस एटीट्यूड के लिए?
I don't have an attitude. I have Swabhiman. I live here like a king. And I always say a king should never leave his kingdom. When the king leaves his kingdom, is no more. That's why Bombay. Because they have more attitude. I say, you come here. I want to die here like a king.